Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Green color, yellow color, red color, blue color, black color and yellow ochre color. So kids, now you draw alphabets and first you draw A and use green color. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for helicopter, I for ice cream. It's now you draw J and use yellow color. J for joker, K for king, L for lion, M for moon, N for nose, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R and use red color. R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vine, W for whale, X for xylophone, Y for yo-yo, and Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers and first you draw 1 and use blue color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and last we draw 10, the numbers of 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.